people. So you might be able to tell what this is. It's a fidget spinner. They're really addicting. They're like ruling the world now. So famous. I'm gonna be doing fidget spinners versus me. I don't feel too good about this. Not one bit. First, we're gonna do this. Does that feel good? Wait. Here. They look so cool in the camera. Okay. I need to set the camera up somewhere. Okay. Oh God, ow. They feel so weird when you spin it like this. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see my hand? Okay. I'm lucky I have music out. Wow. Wait, can you guys see like this? I'm getting bored because I'm not spinning my spinner. Can you? Stop staring at me. Ayah! That's it.